How to get color matched. The first option is through my website at teambloomunited.com, where you'll go on and fill out a really quick form and take a makeup-free, no judgment selfie of yourself. Here's how to do it. Option number 2, if you go to my Facebook page, Team Bloom United, there are live appointments on there if you are local to Western Maryland, and we can meet up in person to give you the perfect color match. Option number 3, while this doesn't happen quite as often, 1 to 2 times a month, I always hold local events to Western Maryland, and I will do color matches there. So you just need to keep an eye on my Facebook page and look for these local events.